Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your home decor and phone experience with the black nickel finished table desk accent from Decor Antique, a game-changing portable Bluetooth speaker that's about to take your world by storm? This incredible product is not just a speaker, it's a statement piece that combines smart tech with stunning wood finish, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their space. With its easy setup, you'll be enjoying crystal clear sound in no time, and the best part is that it's well reviewed by thousands of customers who can't get enough of its unique blend of style and functionality. The handcrafted wooden base features intricate carved floral patterns and a rich mahogany finish that adds a touch of classic elegance to any room, while the specially designed phone dock accommodates iPhones, amplifying sound naturally without requiring power or batteries, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes without any hassle. The compact tabletop size makes it easy to place anywhere, and the fact that it works as both a decorative piece and practical phone stand is just the icing on the cake. Imagine being able to naturally amplify your device's sound while having a beautiful decorative piece on your desk. It's a win-win situation, and the texture of the wood finish is so smooth to the touch, it's like having a little piece of luxury in your own home. Whether you're working from home, relaxing with some music, or just need a stylish phone stand, this product is the perfect solution, and the fact that it's portable makes it even more versatile. In real-life use, this product has been a total game-changer, providing a stylish and functional way to enjoy music and take calls, and the sound quality is amazing, with clear and crisp tones that will make you feel like you're right there in the recording studio. So why settle for a boring, run-of-the-mill speaker when you can have a stunning piece of art that also happens to be a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker? Get your "If this helped" hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.